Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my September 2020 SugarMuses Deluxe Muse box. It is late, you know, it is what it is. I have had a lot of stuff, disaster level stuff going on. You've probably heard of it. I've been saying it in every video. At this point, you've probably seen one of my lives. So you know what's going on. And I just want to say thank you so much for sticking with me. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's really important to me. Helps me engage with more people. And I'm so happy to be back. So I am missing my Midnight Muses box, but because of what happened, so much of the mail got moved around and not in the correct place. So I am hopeful that it will be coming very, very soon, because I'd hate to lose it. So, and I think I got another box coming, but I can't be sure. All right. So, I have not really seen any hints of any of these boxes because I have been not avoiding social media, but I mean, it's hard to be on social media when you have no power. So that's where we've been. So Harvest Moon, which is already passed in my area, which is fine though. Oh, Mavon, that's perfect. Mavon's in a couple days, and that's what my next Get Ready With Me is about. Although by the time you've seen this, it'll have already passed. I love these. You guys know I love these. I love these envelopes. So we've got an interesting deck I don't recognize. Well, the Three of Cups is a really good card, but it looks a little like spooky. This is very cool. Love the paper. Tissue paper is absolutely lovely. Love her card. Christie's, very nice. I love her products. Oh my goodness! Juniper Berries, very cool. Love it. Love it. I'm going to ease back a little bit so you can still see, but you can also see the stuff as I put it down. Okay, we've got, I want to say this is yerba, but it's also got rosemary. So maybe it's yerba santa and rosemary. Well, let's see. This is amplification herbs. Very nice. I just like the way it's green. It smells green. We've got a little SugarMuses spell kit. That's a first. Very cool. I mean, it might not be a first, but it hasn't happened in the last 2.5 years. So, very pretty little card. Love the card. I love all of her like aesthetic stuff. It's very pleasing to me. Intuition spell kit using smoky quartz. Cleanse and charge under a full moon. Light the candle and focus on the opening of the third eye and being ready to accept visions. Say, open visions, let me see, second sight, come to light. Hold over your third eye, relax like this for a few minutes before using tarot cards or divination tools. That's cool. I usually have an abundance of visions. I mean, let me just say, guys, like, the first day or two after the fire, I couldn't sleep at all. And then the third or fourth day, I actually slept like the dead, like just nothing. I would go to bed and then I would wake up hours later like nothing happened, which is unusual for me. And then the nightmares came. Vivid, horrific, just explicit nightmares. So I know that it was a way for my brain and my body to decompress, but I am not in the mood for any more fucking visions right now. Excuse my French. I can't even. Terrible. But at some point I will be. I got a brand new amazing tarot deck. It looks very spooky, very, very fall. Love it. This must be from this because it definitely looks, it looks like the same kind of art. I love it. I'm really pleased. She, of all the people, all the boxes that I get, Christy does include a lot of, not a lot, but I have gotten many decks over the past several years from her. Actually, I've got like the Shadowscapes, I got the Ethereal Visions, I got the Terre Lune, Um, I feel like in the Midnight Muses I got some of the small, the cute little small ones. I'd have to go back. It's, you know, I get a lot of boxes and this is kind of a stressful time, so it's all blending together. But this is very familiar and very pleasant experience opening a box, talking to you guys. It's really making me feel like everything's going to be okay. So, we got some chai tea, which is one of my favorites. Got a ritual oil here. I like her little bottles. They're very pretty. Harvest ritual oil. Very beautiful. Love the bottles. Let me smell it. Ooh, it smells like an apple pie. Wow. So good. Delicious. Oh, I haven't opened this. Oh, pretty. Beautiful. It smells so good. I hope I sealed it all the way. I can smell. It's very good. Wow, I love it. And do we have a pillar candle? I mean, I am just absolutely... Oh, an incense. It's hiding back here. I love these containers. Oh, it smells like apple cinnamon. Or maybe just cinnamon. Maybe I could just smell the apple here. Or maybe pumpkin. I don't know. It smells apple-y. Maybe it's just like the most pleasant, comforting smell in the world after this hellacious summer. I'm going to have to cut this because I have no idea where to start. Oh, please don't let me ruin it. I'm sometimes ruin things, guys. Oh, wait. Here's a sideways tape. Aha. Also, don't let me cut my hand. My husband will never stop squawking about it. Ooh, my son. Squawking about something. But I'm so happy to have him home because we were separated when the fire came for his safety. Oh my God, I love it. I love it, Christy. Good job. You always do a good job. Harvest Moon Blessings Candle. I absolutely love it. I love this. I love it. Love it. 100%. It's an amazing box. Everything is amazing. Let me move this back a little bit so I can show you everything. And you can really get what I'm saying because I love it and I think it's amazing. You don't have to agree with me, but this is mine and I paid for it and I love it. Ta-da! It is what it is. Okay. Just beautiful. Let me get all the beautiful stuff so I think you can see everything. I think you can see everything. There we go. Okay. Astrologically, 2020 was destined to be a transformative year, and the next 2 months will continue with this strong cosmic energy. Great. The Virgo New Moon on September 17th sends powerful waves reminding us to connect with universal wisdom and to focus on health and well-being. Check, I will be doing that. It reminds us not to live in fear. I won't, I promise. And to remember that we possess untapped wells of strength and perseverance. Very, very appropriate, very in tune. I really appreciate this, Christy. This is right on par. This new moon brings waves of healing energy and the promise of a fresh new start. On September 22nd, we celebrate the autumn equinox. And let me just say, guys, for the first time in almost my son's whole life, we will not be celebrating the autumn equinox in our favorite camping spot because of the fires. Which kind of breaks my heart a little bit. We would traditionally, were it not for the catastrophe, we would have probably been already there camping now. And that kind of breaks my heart a little, but you know, I'm here, my house is standing, there's so much to be grateful for, there's so much that we're reaping. we're reaping. There's still so much to be had and to appreciate, and lots of value in my life and in my community. So I've got to try and put a positive spin on it. So anyway, on September 22nd, we celebrate the autumn equinox as the sun moves into the zodiac sign of Libra. Libra represents the continued search for harmony and balance as we learn to relate with others as true equals. Even though September offers strong transformative energy, filled with continuing challenges globally, it also offers cosmic protection as well, and the opportunity to raise our own consciousness to higher levels in terms of fighting for causes that can lift all of humanity. Many civilizations have looked to the stars to help guide them on their life's journey and to honor the seasons because they are markers for different parts of the life cycle. The equinox is the beginning of a new season environmentally, but also individually. September 22nd is also the Pagan Harvest Festival of Mavan. It is considered a time of the mysteries, so it's the second of the harvest festivals. Let me get to words. Harvest clove incense stick, which smells amazing. Rosemary and yerba bundle. Whew, I was right. Yay. Rosemary is associated with protection, love, and mental powers. Yerba is associated with spiritual strength, to increase psychic powers and for protection. Harvest oil. Anointing oil. So autumn pumpkin, clove, nutmeg, lavender, and cedar on almond oil. So I was off about the apple, but it smells like fall. My nose is still a little effed up because of the gratuitous amounts of smoke inhalation in the last 2 weeks. My house was literally on fire for 2 days. Not my property was on fire for 2 or 3 days. So my nose is a little bit wonky, but I did smell the autumn off of it. I just couldn't tell pumpkin from apple. But it smells wonderful. The moon blessing candle. So dried botanicals, pumpkin, cinnamon, and nutmeg oils. And it smells great. It's wonderful. This right here. See? It smells good. Looks good. Love it. The spell kit was very cute. Love it. I love that. I'm going to probably clean the smoky quartz a little bit. A raw smoky quartz, or not clean, polish. And a little candle, a little chime candle. Very nice. Amplification herbs can be added to spell bag, witch's bottle sprinkled on candles to boost the energy of your spell. You may wish to grind these herbs down further using a mortar and pestle while visualizing your specific intention. Once you have a powdery consistency, add the berries. This blend contains yarrow, gentian, and dandelion. Do not consume. Keep away from children and pets. Juniper berry with Damiana. I knew it looked weird. Add the juniper berries to the powerful powdered herb blend. Juniper magical properties also include breaking hexes and boosting psychic powers. Do not consume. Keep away from children and pets. Murder of Crows Tarot. This Sabbath, we begin our journey into Sato season. Now through November, divination and the ability to communicate with our ancestors at its strongest point. Love it. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. The chai tea and the little tea bag and the pendant. The pewter pendant. Very pretty. Her Harvest Moon print. By Christy. It's a digital collage art and it's very beautiful. I love it. I collect her art. And an intuitively drawn tarot card from the Murder of Crows deck. So this is just a wonderful box. I love this box. I love the aesthetic. I love the content. It's a good box. I've gotten it for years. Highly recommend it to you. This is the deluxe Muse box. She does have a standard Muse box, which to my understanding it's almost the same things, but like to a smaller content or a lesser extent. I'm not really sure. I cannot speak to that as I've never gotten it. I also get the Midnight Muses box, which I absolutely love. It is a little bit lost in the mail this month, so I hope that it makes it here. At any rate, I love you guys so much. I'm so grateful to be here, and I am so grateful that it's going to be fall, and I just feel like this is going to be a good turnaround because so far it's been a little bit rocky waters. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I hope to talk to you soon.